In a world filled with endless possibilities, one truth stands out: the power of personality. We all know that person, the one with a magnetic presence that draws others in like moths to a flame. Have you ever wondered what makes them so captivating? It's not just charm or looks. It's the magic of their personality. Scientists from various fields have devoted years to unraveling the secrets of personality. Their research has uncovered fascinating insights that can transform the way you connect with others. Today, we bring you the distilled essence of this knowledge, powerful wisdom that will make you a beacon of positivity and influence in any social setting. The first pillar of an irresistible personality is authenticity. Embrace your true self, flaws, quirks, and all. When you show the world who you genuinely are, you create an environment that encourages others to do the same. Engage in active listening. Look people in the eye when they speak and truly absorb their words. This simple act communicates respect and fosters genuine connections. Number 2, positive vibes. Positivity is infectious. Embrace a mindset of optimism and spread good vibes wherever you go. Remember, a single smile can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of happiness. Lift others up and celebrate their successes. By being genuinely happy for others, you inspire trust and loyalty in your relationships. Number 3, empathy. Empathy is the cornerstone of emotional intelligence. Tune in to others' feelings and show understanding and compassion. Your ability to empathize will make you a rock for those in need. Conflict is a part of life, but how you handle it defines your character. Cultivate patience and understanding to resolve disagreements peacefully. Extend a helping hand to those less fortunate. Acts of kindness and compassion are a powerful way to connect with others on a deeper level. Number 4, continuous growth. Embrace a growth mindset. Never stop learning and improving. Your dedication to self-growth will inspire others to do the same and create an environment of constant improvement. Share your successes and failures. Let your journey serve as a testament to the power of perseverance and inspire others to chase their dreams fearlessly. Be a mentor and guide to others. Your willingness to share knowledge and support those around you will create a strong sense of community and camaraderie. As you embark on this journey to cultivate an irresistible personality, remember that the science of personality is a gift you can give yourself and others. Embrace authenticity, positivity, empathy, and continuous growth, and you'll become a magnet for those seeking genuine connections. Now go forth and create a world where people want to be around you. Unlock the science of personality and become a force for positive change. Remember, liking is caring, subscribing is supporting, and that notification bell, well, that's your VIP pass to never miss any of my videos. Thanks for being part of this journey, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Till next time.